Hello students, in this video we are going to solve 5 divided by x power 4 minus 1 plus 5 divided by x power 2 minus 1. This is equals to x power 2 divided by 2, and here we will find out the value of x, and x belongs to real number. Look carefully, the given equation here x power 4 and here x power 2 and here x power 2. If we substitute x power 2, this is equals to t. This implies x power 4, this is equals to t square. Now the given equation is 5 over this x power 4 is replaced by t square and minus 1. So here t square minus 1 plus 5 divided by this x square is replaced by t, then t minus 1, and this is equals to t over 2. Now look carefully, in left hand side here denominator part is t square minus 1 and here denominator part is t minus 1, and we know that the algebraic identity of a plus b is multiplied by a minus b. This is equals to a square minus b square. If we put a is equals to t and b is equals to 1, then in left hand side t plus 1 is multiplied by t minus 1, and this is equals to t square minus 1. So here in left hand side 5 over t square minus 1 plus 5 and here t minus 1, and we know that t minus 1 is multiplied by t plus 1, then we get t square minus 1 and here t square minus 1. So first if we multiplied by here t plus 1 and here t minus 1 and multiplied by in denominator t plus 1, this is equals to t over 2. Now in left hand side 5 over t square minus 1 plus here this 5 is multiplied by t, then we get 5 times t, and this 5 is multiplied by plus 1, then we get plus 5. So here 5 times t plus 5 and divided by t minus 1, t plus 1 is same as t square minus 1. So here t square minus 1, and this is equals to t over 2. Now in left hand side look carefully, this is like fraction. So 5 over t square minus 1 and here 5 times t plus 5 over t square minus 1. Then in denominator, common denominator, that is t square minus 1, and in numerator sum of the numerator, that is 5 plus 5 times t plus 5, and this is equals to t divided by 2. In numerator 5 plus 5, that is 10, 5 times t plus 10 and divide by t square minus 1, this is equals to t over 2. Now here if we multiplied this 2 by 5 times t plus 10, then 2 is multiplied by 5 times t plus 10, and this t is multiplied by t square minus 1. T is multiplied by t square minus 1. In left hand side 2 is multiplied by 5 times t, then 10 times t plus 2 is multiplied by 10, then we get plus 20. This is equals to t is multiplied by t square, then t power 3, and this t is multiplied by minus 1, then minus t. If we take all the expression in same side, then t cube minus t minus 10t minus 20, and this is equals to 0. Here t cube minus t minus 10t, that is 11 times t minus 20, and this is equals to 0. This is cubic equation t cube minus 11 times t minus 20, this is equals to 0. First we will factorize this cubic equation, and factor of this cubic equation is t minus 4 is multiplied by t square plus 4 times t plus 5, and this is equals to 0. Then t minus 4, this is equals to 0, and t square plus 4 times t plus 5, this is equals to 0. Here t is equals to 4, and here t square plus 4 times t, this is equals to 5. Let us consider this is case first and this is case second. First, if we take case first, and case first is t is equals to 4, and we know that value of t is x square, this is equals to 4, and x square, this is equals to 4 is same as 2 square, and we know that if a square is equals to b square, this implies a is equals to plus minus b. If we apply this rule, then x is equals to plus minus 2. And here case second is t square plus 4 times t plus 5. T square plus 4 times t plus 5, this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of t. Here first we will check discriminant of this quadratic equation. Here value of a is 1 and value of b is 4 and value of c is 5. Then discriminant of this quadratic is b square minus 4 times ac, and b is replaced by 4 square minus 4 times value of a is 1 and value of c is 5. Then 4 square, that is 16 minus 20, and d is equals to negative 4, and here discriminant is negative, so this here t does not belongs to real number. So here only two values of x, that is x is equals to 2 and x is equals to minus 2. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.